Sort of the rolling walker from Strand or Wander. Now in this video, I'm just going over some of the top questions I was seeing for this walker. So the first question I was seeing is there any assembly? Nope, it comes out of the box looking just like this. So all you have to do is pull it out of your package, unhook these straps like that, and push this down, and you're good to start using it. Now the second question I was seeing is how do you adjust the handlebars? So they're super easy. All you gotta do is loosen up this pin here. Absolutely no tools are required. So you can do it all by hand. Now there's gonna be different holes here that you can see. So you can get it to the perfect height, screw it back in, and you're good to go. And you can do this on the fly, no tools needed. It only takes a few seconds. Now another question I was seeing is how much weight can this hold? So you got yourself a nice leather padded seat here, and this can hold up to 250 pounds. So once you sit down, you can lock your brakes into place. You won't go anywhere, or if you want to move around while you're sitting, you can just unhook them and get moving around your room. Now the final question I was seeing is, would this be great for uneven type surfaces? So these are going to be 6-inch bigger wheels, going to be like kind of hard rubber. So, I wouldn't be going on the beach with this or totally off-roading, but if you're outside, hit some gravel, just kind of getting in places that aren't super level, like in a hallway, you're going to be totally fine. The wheels are still for you, and you'll be good to go and get to your destination. So I think this walker is going to be perfect for traveling. It only weighs 14 pounds, but can still support up to 250, and super, super easy to get compacted up when you want to put in your trunk or whatever. So super happy with this. Does the job exactly as it should. I demo a lot of walkers, and this is one of the few that has zero assembly. So if you're looking for that, I would go ahead and pick this up.